how to turn on NFC on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. For most iPhones, you might not need to turn it on by simply just using your camera to scan any card or pass that is saved in the Wallet app. However, if you have to, turning on an NFC on iPhone is a simple process, so launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the wallet option you see there. Now, on the wallet screen, you will see an option to turn on NFC scanning or NFC tag reader and simply toggle on the toggle button for NFC scanning. And with this, NFC will be enabled on your iPhone and you will be able to use it for a variety of purposes such as making contactless payments with Apple Pay or sharing information with other NFC-enabled devices. So this was about how you can turn on NFC on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.